Okay, welcome to another video, fresh video, my fresh money makers team. Guess what? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to link your CEX wallet to your GM account. Alright guys, so the CEX wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet where you trade your USDT that you get as your salary on global manpower. You will trade that on this platform and send it from that platform to your bank account. So I'm going to show you how to bind both, that when you press withdraw in global manpower, it goes straight to your CEX account. Okay guys, remember now, press that subscription button and join me on the journey. If you have not yet signed up to global manpower, come on, what you waiting for? Let's make some extra funds. All right, let's go. Okay, so from your cex.io app, you are going to select wallet. So at the middle of the page at the bottom you see wallet, you select wallet. Then you're going to go on deposit. Now you're going to search for USDT. There you go, right there. Select that one. Now after that you're going to go on Tron, Tron, right here in the middle. You're going to select Tron. And after select Tron, you're going to see a link appear below that. That's the cex.io address. You're going to copy that address. So you're going to click on copy. At the top is the address have been copied to clipboard. Now what you're going to do now, you're going to minimize that. Then you're going to log into your global manpower app. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go over to the bottom right hand corner where you see me. You're going to select me. Then after selecting me, you're going to select wallet, my wallet. Right here at the top you see my wallet. Select that. You're going to see TRC20. Below that you're going to see add. That's where you're going to add the cex.io address. So you click there, press paste. Now what this address does is that whenever you're ready to withdraw your money from your global manpower app, this address tells it that it sends the money to the cex.io. Alright, so you paste that address right there. Below that you're going to add your Binance ID, which would be your 7-digit phone number. Alright, so right here you're going to add your 7-digit phone number. And then you're going to press save. Alright, success. And that's it. So whenever I click on withdraw from, say I like to withdraw money, I click on withdraw at the amount here, withdraw immediately, and then it will go straight to my cex.io wallet. And from that wallet now I can trade my USDT currency to Jamaican currency and send it straight into my bank account. And there I have my money. Thank you for watching.